Hello students, welcome to Shorop's classes. So in today's video we'll be solving a few questions from NDA 2018 mathematics paper. So first question we'll be solving question number 72. So in question number 72 it is given, suppose the function r, which is real number to real number, is defined by function of x equals to x square by 1 plus x square. So it is given function of x is equals to x square by 1 plus x square. So it is given in the question, so out of which we have to find the range of the function. So we have to find the range of the function. So four options are given, as you can see. So we'll proceed further with it. So it will be, we know function of x is nothing but equals to y, so it will be y into 1 plus x square equals to x square. Now simply it will become y minus 1 x square plus y equals to 0. So the change will be equals to 0 minus 4y, y minus 1. So now as you can see, as delta is greater than 0 for real number, so 4y, y minus, as you can see, 4y, y minus 1 will be greater than equals to 0. So y must be less than equals to 0, or y must be greater than 1. So from here we can state that, so y basically belongs to 0 to 1. So y belongs to 0 to 1. So y can be greater than 1, so it won't be like this, it will be like this. So the final answer for this question, I will be writing it down here. It will be y belongs to 0, because it has to be equals to or less than 0. So 0, and it will be 1 bracket. So for question number 72, the right answer would be option A. Now we'll go to the next question. So in next question it is given, if function of x modulus x plus modulus x minus 1, then which one of the following is correct? So there are four options are given, as you can see. Function of x is continuous at x equals to 0 and x equals to 1. Function of x is continuous at x equals to 0 but not at x equals to 1. Function of x is continuous at x equals to 1 but not at x equals to 0. And finally, function of x is neither continuous at x equals to 0 nor at x equals to 1. So we have this four options, out of which we need to find out the right one. So for this I'll be solving this question here. So it is given, function of x is basically equals to modulus x plus modulus x minus 1. So from here we can simply write, the limit would be what? Limit would be x tends to 0 plus function of x equals to 1, and limit x tends to 0 minus, it will be function equals to 1. So function is continuous at x equals to 0. So we can state from here, function is continuous at x equals to 0. So function is continuous at x equals to 0. Now when function is basically equals to 1 and limit tends to x 1 plus, so from here, and limit x tends to 1 minus, so the function of x will be equals to 1. So the function continuous at x equals to 1. So function is continuous at x equals to 1. So function is continuous at x equals to 0 and also at x equals to 1. So from here it is quite evident, the option A would be the right answer for question number 73. So in today's video we solved two questions, question number 71 and 72. I hope 72 and 73. So I hope you guys have understood it. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number. which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showedofficersclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.